Here we are. We're getting ready to
Want to remove your mask?
work our demolition jackhammer. This is an extreme power 2200 jackhammer. What it is made to chisel up concrete, flooring, and all that. What I'm gonna use it for is to chisel up this tile so I can get up on the floor and to pull all this flooring off. Because this area right here, you can't tell it, but it's termite infested. You can see some of the termite infested wood there, but the termites are gone. It looked like they had to treat it, but they didn't do nothing with the stuff. So I'm gonna tear this up, tear the floor up, put new floor down so we can put our tile and get the bathroom done. So let's get back to this. This, like I said, this extreme power 2200 watt electric jackhammer. And this is the box that came in. I got it from Home Depot. So we'll do somewhat of unboxing. I never used this, so. Here it is, they send you everything you need. They send you the gloves, which I have my own gloves. Then they send you a mask, which I'll use my mask. And they send you the goggles, which I'll use my goggles. Then they send you the oil container. You gotta put oil in it. They send you a wrench to take stuff loose. They send you brushes, and they send you a hexagon wrench. Then they also send you, they send you 3 bits. There's 1 bit that goes in there. I'll show you how to put those in a minute. There's 1 bit. It's like a chisel bit. There's another bit. It's like a pointy bit. I think I'm gonna start off with this one to beat down and see if I can break this stuff up. Then I'll switch to the other bit. Then also they send you another, they send you like a shovel. And it's over here in this container. They send you like a shovel. This thing is heavy duty. Look at this shovel. This thing is heavy. This is a shovel. This is made for digging. We're gonna use that because we go up under our house. We need to dig around the pipe so I can splice in a new pipe. You don't have much space down there. So this is perfect. If you could get all this down there, we'll see. This might be long too. Or you can do it at an angle. You don't come down like this, you come at an angle so to keep tearing up the dirt. So that's all the tools they send with it. Then obviously, and this is what I call the Big Daddy. This thing is heavy. It's really big and heavy. It's the cord. You can see it's got a lever that's, you can move it 360 degrees, wherever you want to hold it. They say you hold it, you're going to hold it, you're going to run the switch. I'm going to hold it like this. There's my switch right here. Run my switch and I'm going to hold it. I'm going to hold it like this. We'll see how it works. But here's how you put your bit in. So first you make sure it's unplugged. Don't dare try to put a bit in and you're over top of this thing is plugged in. That wouldn't be good. This flat part right here goes to the top. So it goes like this. Right now it's open. So what you do, you pull it like this. See that? You go 180 degrees. Now it's locked. Go back 180. It's open. So you take this, go flip it all the way around. That's 90. That's 1. Now it's locked. The hammer force of this thing pushing it back and forth, push it down and you hold it, is what makes it work. They say when you first start, it might not hammer, just keep going down and pushing. Eventually it'll kick on because it's been sitting. So we'll see. So make sure it's locked. Make sure you have your goggles. Make sure you have your mask. Make sure you're ready to go. So that's part 1. So we'll do part 2. That'll show you me actually using this and putting it in work. All right. So come back for part 2.
Bye.
2200
What
watts.
do you want me to do?
2200 watts. We're going to try to use it and see what happens. Here goes nothing. we got this running, and all we did, like I showed you earlier, how we unboxed it and put the tools in it. The chisels, I changed the chisel. I started off with the round chisel to poke a hole so I could get all that loose. Then I went with this because I need to break tile up. And all it does is just does like that. And it does it so fast it breaks the tile up. Like I said before, this is your 360 handle. You can turn it wherever you want. It's gritty now because it's got chips in it. And all you do is just push the hammer down. If you push the handle down, it breaks it. I mean, I can show you real quick. You just push it, and it's done. So let me show you. Let me show you real quick. It don't take long. It's just a little bit. It's just to show you how this thing works. It's very simple, like this.
That area.
All you do is just take this right here. You like put on that piece right there, like this. You just broke it up. Everything broke it up. Very simple. Watch this. That's it. Very simple tool. Works great. 2,200 watts. They said this thing is powerful. They got bigger ones. I can't see a bigger one unless you're doing maybe a street. Even this will chisel up concrete in the street, because once it starts breaking, it just breaks it up. All right, so that's it. Great tool. Extreme power, 2,200. Electric hammer tool. Works good. Electric jackhammer. Works good. Thank you.